In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign documents without printing or scanning quickly and easily. If you've ever struggled with that process, stick around, because I'll walk you through the steps that save you time and effort and show you the best tool for the job. Here's the thing, no one wants to deal with printing, scanning, and then re-uploading documents. It's a hassle, especially if you're dealing with multiple forms, contracts, or agreements. That's why today we're talking about a simple solution to sign documents digitally. You don't need to print, scan, or even leave your desk. First up, let's talk about the software we'll be using today. This is a tool I've tested out with a bunch of other popular apps, and I found it to be the easiest, most reliable option to sign documents without printing or scanning. It's straightforward to use, and if you stick with me till the end, I'll show you how to get an exclusive free trial that you can use to follow along with this tutorial. To get started, upload the document you need to sign. You'll find an easy upload button or drag and drop feature on your software dashboard. Once you've uploaded your document, the next step is to select the place where you want to sign. This is usually done by clicking on the area where you want your signature to appear. Now let's add your signature. You'll have a few options here, like drawing it with your mouse or touchpad, typing it out, or even uploading an image of your handwritten signature. The software we're using makes it easy to select the signature option you prefer. And don't worry, it'll look professional, just like it would if you'd signed it in person. Once your signature is in place, double check to make sure everything looks right. This is important, especially if the document has multiple places to sign or initial. It's super easy to add more than one signature if needed. Just click on the spots where you want to sign again and repeat the process. After you've placed your signature and verified everything, all you need to do is hit the Finish or Save button. Your document is now signed, and you can download it immediately or share it via email or a link. No printing, no scanning, just a fully digital process. You'll find that this method works for almost any document you need to sign, from contracts to agreements or even tax forms. And the best part, it saves you a lot of time and headache. Key takeaway, signing documents without printing or scanning is easy, and the best software for the job streamlines the entire process. With this tool, you can upload, sign, and send documents in minutes. It's a simple, efficient way to handle your paperwork without the old school hassle. Just a quick reminder to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so be sure to check it out if you want to follow along. To recap, upload your document, choose your signing method, verify your signature, and then save or send your signed document. That's all there is to it. No printing, no scanning, just a fast, hassle-free way to sign documents digitally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.